Hi guys, I'm Miss Gravener,
And I'm Mr. Spider.
and today we're going to talk a little bit more about the Indians of Virginia. So, yesterday we said that the Indians in Virginia are called the Eastern Woodland Indians. That was a name for all of the Indians in Virginia. But there are also some smaller groups or different tribes that are part of that group, the Eastern Woodlands. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Okay?
So this map may look a little different than what you're used to seeing when you learned about the 5 regions of Virginia. This one is drawn a little differently to show you where the tribes were located by color. You have a color here, one here, and then you have a little bit of color here and here. So we're going to start here, the western part of the state of Virginia. And here you would find the Cherokee tribe, and they spoke the language known as Iroquoian. Now, we remember that kind of differently to help us remember where they're located. So we have I for the language, Iroquoian, and C for the tribe, which is the Cherokee. And we remember that by saying Indian children. And then as we move east across Virginia, we get to this region, which would be, you're right, the Piedmont region. And this would have the Siouan language and the Monacan tribe. And you would remember that by saying shoot many. Siouan, Monacan. So here we have Iroquoian, Cherokee, Indian children, shoot many, and that would be for the Siouan and Monacan. And when you move over to the coastal plain region, I'm talking a lot. Miss Kramer,
Sure thing.
I need a little break.
So over here in the coastal plain region, we have got the Algonquian language, that's the letter A, and then we have the Powhatan tribe. Okay, so we have the letters A and P. Now, these are really complicated names that are hard to remember. So if you can remember the first letters of each one of these words, it will help you a lot. Okay? In this first section, we have the I and the C for Indian children. In the second section, we have the S and the M for shoot many. And in the third section, we have the letter A and the letter P for arrows perfectly. So Indian children shoot many arrows perfectly. So that's all for today, but soon we're going to talk to you about what the Indians did in the different seasons. See you soon.
See ya.